guys, welcome to my channel Buzz Videos. It's almost 2 months I have not uploaded any video from my channel. So I came back by showing how to update Vivo devices, all Vivo devices to Android 9.0 Pie. So let's have a look in this tutorial. Watch till the end. Actually, I don't have any Vivo device, that's why I'm telling through this website only. And this is the root update website, which you can which one is a trusted one, and you can clearly understand the process for upgrading, and you can also trust this website, and you can't you won't get any problems while performing this process. So according to this, now how to update Vivo devices to Android 9.0. Let's have a look. Actually, these are the contents. There are four contents. Upgrade Vivo device to Android. Install Android 9.0 Pie on any Vivo smartphone, and support from 2.1, which is points to remember before you start Android Pie installation on your Vivo device. This is a very important step you should have to follow, otherwise you may get into problems. And steps to upgrade Vivo to Android 9.0 Pie. So first of all, do you want to upgrade your device? First you should get clarity about yourself. Why? Because there are some bugs also. For example, if you want to use the test or any online transactions apps, then for your custom if you install this process, they may not allow you to send the money to any bank account. Actually, you can't initialize that apps, and you can't add your bank account also. This may cause problems for your transferring money. If you want to help with that option, you can you can safely install this process. Today we are here with the guide to install 9.0 Pie on any Vivo devices. Vivo and Oppo both are very popular offline brands in India. Nowadays they are uh, uh, becoming more popular. Why? Because of less cost and more features, and it has a Apple customization. Next, Vivo recently launched Vivo Next smartphone with pop-up camera, which makes it one of the best smartphone. But I won't recommend this pop-up camera phones. Why? Because it is very tough to handle, and which may cause to break or any sir, uh, another issues. So uh, why, although it is a best smartphone from look wise, it is very tough to maintain, as the company has launched many mid-range smartphones, so it is nearly impossible for company to provide software update for all the devices. They won't send the smartphone updates, software updates to your mobiles. Even though they send, it will take a huge time. So by manually you can update your devices. So this guide will help you to show how is the easiest way to install Android 9 on Pi on the device. This is the advertisement, ignore that. And Android Pie is the latest OS from Google, the new OS with many new features such as split screen, increased security, longer battery life, and a lot more. So as the OS is totally new, so there are many users who want to get it on their devices. As we all know very well that there are many smartphones which won't get official Android support from developers. So to update their smartphone, the best thing they can do is to install Android 9.0 Pie custom ROM on their smartphones and enjoy the latest OS of their smartphones. Now let's come into the installation mode. Custom ROMs are usually better than stock ROMs in every terms because we can customize your phone the way we want. And not only this, but there are plenty of other options to increase performance of our device. So before you starting installing Android 9.0 Pie on any smartphone, there are some points and pre-requirements you have to follow to make sure you follow all of this carefully. Okay, now points to remember before you start Android Pie installation on your Vivo device. First of all, make a backup of all your important files and contacts so that you can get them back if anything goes wrong. And most often, if you have a option to place a memory card, place it and back up the stock ROM also. Even though you can get it from internet, any other source, but when you back up from your device, it may, and that is very useful if anything goes wrong. And this is my uh, suggestion to back up your present ROM which you are using in your smartphone. Next, make sure that there is more than 65% battery on your Android device so that the phone does not switch off during the Android Pay update installation procedure. It is not mandatory, but you should maintain minimum battery life to avoid from the switch off of your mobile, because while your mobile is when your mobile is switched off and this process going on, it may crash your Android device. So be careful to maintain the minimum battery life. And next, TWRP recovery is required to install this update. You can search your TWRP image and process in YouTube or any other websites also. And here is a guide how to install TWRP recovery on any Vivo devices. So this is the link. I will keep this link in the description. You can get there. Next, it is very easy actually. You have so many options. For example, I know one best method. You just follow that. In Google, just type the King root, and after that you can download the King root app. After installation, when the installing after installation, when you are open the tab, it will ask to get root, and after tapping on that, you should have a minimum high speed data or a Wi-Fi connection. Most probably you use the Wi-Fi connection only, which is very safe. And after that, um, now you can have a look. After that, you can install the Flashify from the Google Play Store, and you can flash the image of TWRP of your preferable mobile device. And next, to update the device, you have to get Android P custom ROM from here. Here you can see here. After down, I will place the link in the description. After downloading, place the ROM in the root of SD card and rename it as update zip. Okay, you should have to rename it. Next, steps to upgrade Vivo to Vivo 9 Pi. So these are the steps. Make sure you have completed all the things given in the pre-requirement section. Now go to the settings of your Vivo device. Now tap on about device, tap on build number for 7 times to enable developer options. It is mandatory, and now you will get developer options in the settings. Tap on enable USB debugging. Now turn off your Vivo smartphone and boot in TWRP recovery mode. Now tap on wipe. Now choose wipe Dalvik cache, wipe cache partition. You choose only these options. Now wait for some time until the process completes. Now tap on the install and choose the Android P custom ROM from Vivo. Now swipe left to confirm the installation. Now wait for the some time. Now tap on the reboot. That's all. You have successfully updated your Vivo smartphone on Android 9.0 Pie. So this was our guide on how to install Android 9.0 Pie on Vivo. We hope this guide helped you in getting latest 9.0 Pie on your smartphone device. If you think it is useful, please subscribe, share, and don't hit the dislike button while I'm not using the mobile. So very soon I will come with a mobile and live installation. And thank you guys. Let's have a great day, and please subscribe my channel, and please remember you should follow these steps carefully one by one. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in description, you can comment me. Thank you.